The streets of Geylang are lighted up, but Hari Raya festivities this year will remain a muted affair. Physical bazaars have gone online, and people are staying indoors as Singapore imposes more COVID-19 restrictions. It's another blow for businesses like Fotohi Carpet Gallery, which gets its sales mostly during the Ramadan period. For over 20 years, its owner joined the yearly bazaar near Tanjong Katong complex, where he sold and auctioned carpets at marked-down prices.
This particular month is like quarter of our year. We reduce the margin as much as possible to sell in bigger volume. 2019, we made about 40,000-50,000 net.
But Fotohi now struggles to clear stocks of its Persian carpets.
It's not even 30% of normal Ramadan. Bazaar is important. When we don't have bazaar, we don't have the crowd. We have the whole inventory of the last year import, and even this year also. Next year we still have to bring new shipment, but maybe in smaller quantity.
Fotohi has tried virtual live stream to sell its carpets, but that hasn't helped much.
Carpet need to be still in traditional way. Customer need to come down, feel the carpet, see the carpet, touch the carpet. Then we negotiate over the price, over the size, over the colors.
For other businesses, though, going big online has been a lifeline. Since last year, the founder of All Things Delicious Cafe in Arab Street has benefited from setting up a same-day delivery website.
We make sure it was up and ready before Ramadan itself to make sure that we are strong in online sales to make up for the loss. So sales dropped to, for walk-in customers, maybe 80%. People can still buy as a takeaway, they can't sit in. Our online sales add up to 60%.
A drop in tourist visitors and cancellations of corporate catering took a toll on business revenue. But things are looking up this year as staffing and logistics have been streamlined.
The celebration mood is there, even though it's still muted down. For this year, we came up with more products for Ramadan. We launched Ramadan gift boxes, we launched Ramadan care packs, and we see the trend that more and more companies are celebrating Ramadan for their staff.
All Things Delicious took 3 months to plan its Ramadan offerings and seasonal menu items.
The pandemic has really affected how business is done, how business is conducted. So for us, we really have a wait-and-see approach because you just never know when it's going to turn around. So we have to move at a very careful pace, but at least we have experienced circuit breaker so that we know what to expect and how to go from there.
Lessons from last year's Ramadan are also at play for fashion e-commerce platform Zalora.
After a much muted Raya celebration last year, this year consumers seem to be eager to dress up a little bit more. I think, they're thinking, pandemic or not, I'm going to look my best. They're buying better fabrics, better sustainable collection, maybe more lounge styles, so that they can wear more at home.
Sales for Zalora's modest wear category started picking up as early as February. The e-commerce platform says buying patterns during the fasting season have changed due to the pandemic.
Usually we see the numbers spike up during lunchtime or after work hours. But this year, considering a lot more people are home-based, so we see the numbers are quite spread out. However, we do have our campaigns, our sahur campaigns that happens between 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. and where we offer like discount codes or something like that. So during that time, we see a spike in numbers of sales, definitely.
With COVID restrictions still in place, Zalora is betting on its social media strategy to boost Hari Raya sales this year.
Last year, we didn't expect COVID to hit us, and we had all these amazing campaigns. So we had to scrap all of that and adjust to that situation. We did it. IG Live, IG takeovers, get the look, anything you can think of. And I feel like that's how we won last year, and that's how we're also winning this year as well.
Online advertising firm Criteo says Ramadan purchases this year are mostly taking place through mobile phones and apps. Criteo also says there's been a change in what consumers want during this Ramadan season.
Post-Ramadan shopping data has shown that top product categories are usually health and beauty, electronics, toys, games, home and living. In 2021, the growth has been primarily in two categories, which is fashion and luxury, and mass merchant products.
To attract consumers, Criteo says businesses need to combine online and offline strategies with a focus on the season's key message.
Brands are encouraged to focus less on promoting the price and more on the observance. Third most important thing is offer consumers what they need through personalized ad campaigns. I think this is super important in today's hyper-connected world, and especially where the consumer behavior has become more on a one-on-one experience than one-to-many.